Where to find local part-time maid in Singapore? Need a local part-time maid service? Cleaning the entire house can be such a pain on the back, especially if you're doing it alone. For that, you will definitely need helping hands in order to carry out the cleaning tasks to maintain the pleasing environment of your home. You don't want to spend most of your time cleaning your house, do you? So now is the right time to look for a local part-time maid who will do the job for you. So, where to find a local part-time maid in Singapore? With the advent of internet connection, it is now fairly easy to look for services like cleaning services that more and more people need nowadays. Most of the companies providing cleaning services around Singapore have established their company's website to make them more accessible to people. Cleaning services have also evolved to meet clients' expectations, and one of those is providing local part-time maids. Below are some of the advantages of hiring local part-time maids in Singapore. Here they are. Service rates. This is exactly what most people are concerned about: service rates. Service rates should always be fair enough between the client and the employee. It's actually more practical to hire a local part-time maid than getting a full-time one if you are not really up to cleaning your house daily. You will certainly save more money paying the hourly rate of your part-time maid than paying monthly salary to a full-time maid. No fixed and hidden charges. The idea of not having fixed rates and hidden charges is absolutely a great thing. However, there are protocols that must be followed as to how much salary your part-time maid deserves. One of the factors that can determine the appropriate salary of a part-time maid is the number of hours she spent cleaning the house. Cleaning services. Whether you get part-time maids or full-time maids, the services that they can provide you are just the same, from washing toilets, vacuuming and mopping floors, washing, ironing, pressing and folding clothes to dusting the windows, kitchen as well as the interiors, and so many other cleaning tasks to do. There is nothing that a part-time maid can perform like a full-time maid. Professional service. Professionalism is a very important factor, especially when talking about services. Just like any other professions out there, part-time maids have their housekeeping skills honed through months of trainings and years of experiences. They have undergone seminars, certifications to deliver excellent services for the sake of their clients' satisfaction and maintain the company's reputation. If you would like to avail practical cleaning services with a local part-time maid, then there is no other better site to look for but at housecleanersingapore.com. The site provides all the information that you might need before finally deciding if you would really like to get cleaning services. Check it out and see their list of services and current service rates. You can also find the site's contact details just in case you have some additional inquiries about hiring a part-time maid. For more information, please visit housecleanersingapore.com.